Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a LinkedIn to N8N. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so connecting LinkedIn to N8N allows you to automate tasks like posting updates, retrieve profile information, or managing connections. While LinkedIn's APIs has some limitations, especially around marketing and posting, you can still integrate it via OAuth 2 and the LinkedIn node in N8N. So now, in order to do this, we need to go to linkedin.com developers/app and then make sure to sign into your account. Then from here, we need to go ahead and click on create app. Then give your app a name. Then from here under there, we want to go ahead and enter your company's name or LinkedIn company's page URL. And if you've got a privacy policy URL, go ahead and put that in there as well. And then from here, you want to go ahead and upload a logo for your app logo. So go ahead and upload a logo. So I'm going to find my logo here. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on the I have read and agreed to these terms, then click on create app. Make sure everything is correct here before you do this. So I need to go back up here and find my URL. And then from here, we want to click on auth, and then under OAuth 2.0 settings, we want to go ahead and authorize redirect URLs for your app. So go ahead and click on the pencil icon, and where it says no redirect URLs added, go ahead and click on add redirect URL. Then from here, we want to paste this in. So this is HTTPS, your N8N domain, and then the rest here, REST OAuth 2 credential callback. Now to get your N8N domain, we need to go over to N8N and sign into your account. So I'm going to sign into my account here. All right, so here's my N8N domain. I'm just going to copy this and now come back here, paste that here, and then click on update. Or you can simply use your N8 Cloud redirect URL if hosted by n8n.cloud. Now, after the app is created, go to the auth tab and then copy the client ID and client secret. So you want to go ahead and copy these. I'm going to Control C. And now I'm going to copy this as well. Now head back to N8N. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on workflow. Now we can give this workflow a new name if we like. I'm just going to call this LinkedIn. And then where it says add first step, click on add first step. And now we want to type in LinkedIn here. Click onto LinkedIn. And now I'm just going to go ahead and click on create a post here. And then where it says credentials to connect with, we want to go ahead and click on create new credentials. Then from here, it's going to say connect using standard, recommended, or community management. I'm just going to do standard, then click on create my account. And now a little window should pop up. Now sign into LinkedIn and then go ahead and click on sign in. Now once you're signed in, when you come back here, you can see LinkedIn has been added to N8N. If we go ahead and click on the plus icon, we can choose a few different actions. We can action in an app, we can do data transformation, flow, core, human in the loop, and add another trigger if you like.